Vegami. I'm using brown whole lentils. Soak lentils for 3 to 6 hours. Don't forget to reseal your lentil pack. Now add a generous amount of tap water to soak the lentils. Set aside and cover. After 3 hours or more, remove the water. Soaking lentils and legumes is great for better nutrient absorption, and it also helps in stimulating amylase, an enzyme that helps break the complex starch in lentils and legumes, making them easier to digest. Add water for cooking. Cook lentils until tender. Add a little salt for it to have flavor. While waiting, let's chop these veggies. Today we will also learn some Tagalog words for the vegetables we will use. Sibuyas or onion. Bawang, which means garlic. Carrot for carrots. By the way, just chop veggies into cubes. Potatoes or potato. I didn't chop the whole thing because it's too big. My favorite vegetable is potato. How about you? Leave it in the comments. Siling haba or green bell pepper. I'm more familiar with its Ilocano term, taban. Cut it into diagonal shapes. Next we have here the earwood mushrooms. In Tagalog we say, tinggang daga. Beautiful veggies, we are now ready to cook. Lentils are now tender. Transfer it to separate containers and let's begin sauteing the veggies. Saute garlic and onion. Dash of salt. Drizzle some soy sauce too. Love the sizzling sound. Use some of the lentil broth. It is possible to cook without oil. You just need to practice. Now our lovely carrots. Yummy potatoes. Now pour in the lentil broth and then the lentils. Mix. This is optional. You can add unsweetened soy milk. There goes our mushrooms. Season as you go. Stir before covering again. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Sunny day today. Aha! Let's check if it's cooked. Wow! It looks inviting. I'm adding in a little bit of Thai chili paste. Let it simmer a bit. Time for taste test. It's so good. I wanna taste once more. Can't wait to eat this with rice. Now let's add in the rest of the chopped onions and bell pepper. While simmering, let's chop some coriander leaves to freshen up our soup. Chopping these is so much fun. You can also use green onion leaves. Turn off the heat. Wow! Our lentil soup is now ready to serve. The soup is so comforting. I love coriander leaves. I'm adding more. Please support this channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you. Follow me on Instagram at VeganLentils.